So we see that in these two examples, 16 over 64 and 1 over 4 are the same, but one fraction has smaller numbers than the other. It is good style to write fraction using the smallest numbers. So in this instance, if you have 16 over 64, it's good style to know that 1 over 4 is the same as 16 over 64 and use the 1 over 4 form of it. It's not more correct, but it's better style. Similarly, 3 over 5 is preferable to 12 over 20. So how do you go about reducing a fraction to its lowest form? Some fractions cannot be reduced any lower. For instance, 3 over 8, there is no number that can be divided into both 3 and 8 to reduce it. Similarly, 7 over 16 and 3 over 52. But we have numbers like 9 over 18, 8 over 12, and 21 over 24 that can be reduced further. We try to find numbers that can go into both the top and the bottom. 9 could go into 9 one time, and 9 could go into 18 two times, so we get 1 half. But do not despair, because it might not be obvious to you that 9 could go into 9 and 9 could go into 18. So what I normally do is I start with smaller numbers first. I start with 2. Can 2 go into 9? No, it cannot. 2 could go into 18, but it cannot go into 9. What about 3? Can 3 go into 9 and 3 could go into 18? We should be able to identify that 3 could go into both 9 and 18. So we start there. And I will show you now that there's no problem with starting with a smaller number. It just take a longer time, but you end up at the same correct answer. So 3 into 9, yes, 3 times. 3 into 18, yes, 6 times. So we see that 9 over 18 is the same as 3 over 6. Can anything go into 3 and 6? Yes, we should be able to identify that 3 can go into both 3 and 6. 3 into 3 one time, 3 into 6 two times. So we end up with the same correct answer as 1 over 2. Similarly, we can show that 8 over 12 is equal to 2/3, 2 over 3. 4 can go into 8 two times, and 4 can go into 12 three times. And similarly, 21 over 24, 3 can go into 21 7 times, and 3 can go into 24 8 times.